Welcome in, everybody. My name is Sean Knizel, your product specialist here for Team Wendy. And today on our Headstrong Knowledge Vault video, we're going to talk about changing out the pads and retention in a competitor's helmet to a Team Wendy cam fit retention system. As you can see, I've already had the rails and the bolts fed through. What I like to do is put the boa in the back for easy assembly, and I know that it's in the right orientation. We're just going to start these off hand tight, and that gives us a little bit of flexibility on getting all the bolts through. It's important to note that when you put the bolts through the retention system, to make sure that you line up the same holes on each side. Now that we have the rear installed, we're going to start installing the side chin strap and the side head retention. I've already fed my bolts through the rail and the helmet. I'm going to marry the chin strap and the side head retention piece through the bolt. Start my bolt. Moving to the other side, we'll do the same thing. Make sure nothing is crossed up in your chin strap. Get your chin strap out of the way. Find our last bolt head and start. Now that we have everything loosely fitted, we can start to go around and tighten up our bolts. Now we have our Team Wendy cam fit retention system installed on a competitor's helmet.